Welcome to my channel. This is me, Swati Jaiswal. Hello everyone. Good morning. Hope you all are well. Today I'm going to teach you the first chapter of your English language. The name of this chapter is Alphabet Fun. So in English we have two sets of letters in a fixed order. Two sets of letters, just like a capital letters or an small letters. So these are the 26 letters in English alphabet called the alphabet family. Okay, just mentioned here, like there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and these 26 letters make up the alphabet family, as I can say that. So now here we write 26 letters in two ways: uppercase or a lowercase. Uppercase is also known as a capital letters, and lowercase is also known as small letters. So in previous class, have you studied about the capital letters or any small letters? So you know very well how to write the alphabet in a systematical order or an alphabetical order. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now, firstly, you just take out your copy and write down the two sets of alphabets, capital letters and a small letters. Okay, and write it well. Your handwriting should be neat and clean. So now, here the letters A, E, I, O, U are called the vowels. What we call them? Vowels. Okay, vowels are the words who have the own sound. यानी vowel वो words होते हैं जिनके खुद के sounds होते हैं, जो बिना किसी की आवाज के, बिना किसी की help के खुद ही sound निकालते, just like A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and except vowels, whatever is left in our alphabet family, that is called the consonant. So the other letters are called consonant. As it here, alphabetical order, the order in which we recall all the letters of the English alphabet family is the alphabetical order. As I told you, the sequence of the letters, just like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and so on. And when we write in appropriate orders, just like A, D, P, then C, so this is not the sequence of the correct order. So the letters are not called in alphabetical order. Hope you all understand. So now here, the first exercise, we are doing this. The first letter of every word help us write the word in alphabetical order. So firstly, we match the first word. For example, bat, ant, cat, dog and pan. So here, as you know, the first word in alphabetical order comes as A, second one is B, then after C, and after that D or E. So here, ant is the first, bat is the second, cat is the third, dog is the fourth, and after that P, it as in pan. Now, there are some exercises you have to do. First one is I've done it. Now second and third and fourth, fifth, you have to do it in your book, and after that as well as in your copy. Okay. So now here sat, mat, pat, dad and fat. First, in the first line, you can see there are 5 words. Which words? 5 words. So, according to ABCD, whatever is written here, D comes first. So, dad, after that F, fat, then mat and pat, and the last one is sat. So, this is the correct order, okay, and we can say it is an alphabetical order. Now you have to arrange these words into the alphabetical order. Okay. Okay. So now here the exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the vowels. As I told you, A, E, I, O, U, these all are vowels who have their own sounds. Okay, and to complete these words, there are some pictures. As you can see here, there are some pictures, and you have to fill in the blank with the use of vowels. Just like the first picture is hand. And what is the spelling of hand? H-A-N-D. So now moving on the next, fish. As you can see, the second picture is fish. So you have to fill I-F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. So now you have to do this. Dragon, ant, fan, puppy, lock, and kite. Now the next C exercise. So here, fill in the blanks with the with consonants to complete these words. So now these pictures are here, and the pictures have an consonant letters. So you have to fill in the blanks with the use of consonant words. Okay. So now P-E-N, pen, O-W-L, owl, T-R-E-E, tree, M-O-O-N, moon. Next, now the next one is R-O-S-E, rose. Then after bell, book, or bird. Okay, so this is the end of this chapter. Hope you all understand, and you just do revision of this chapter. Okay, till then, bye bye.